From where? Where they from?
Pulchri collection. That's how we rocking these for the summer.
You already know.
She about to go bring hers out. Oh, here she go.
You feel me?
Here she go. That's what. See, this is how we do.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it every day, all day,
all day, every day.
Woo! You just saw a totally different thing now. Okay.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. What's that?
We're going to be using a cap the same complexion as her. Look at your little braids, Auntie. She did a good job. She did a good job on your braids. Your scalp is nice and moisturized.
Feel moist now. Look bald-headed. I'm a bald-headed chicken, y'all.
Bald-headed, skinny
headed. Ain't got no hair in the back. Let's see how she look, my little baby. How are you? Oh, how? You miss me. You miss mommy. I know.
Who that?
Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that?
Who is that?
I don't know. Who is that? Tell me who that is. Who is that?
I don't know.
Who is that?
My beautiful aunt.
Nah, this not your aunt no more.
Who this? This Saquana?
This Saquana.
Saquana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to cut it in sections. I'm not going to use scissors to cut it. I'm going to use my razor because it gives a more natural look. So as you can see, it's not giving her a straight across look. It's more natural, so you can't really detect where it's at. Even glued down, okay? Ain't even glued down.
I don't need no glue down.
She don't want no glue.
Now you know I could feel the difference in the laces. You know why I say that? Because when I put the synthetic one on, it generally be itching all up in
here.
Yeah,
it itches, right?
Yeah, but with this one, I don't feel nothing.
It doesn't itch at all.
No.
It's a big difference between synthetic.
Wow, and then every time I take it off, my whole forehead be all red and everything.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about that. And synthetic hair breaks you out too.
I don't feel nothing. This is perfect. I really like this.
Thank you.
Guys, this one is only for a week. And then you're going to see me back again with the other color.
She going to be dyed a whole nother color.
Stay tuned to next year. Next week, I mean. Okay?
You good at this. Going to be using the olive oil oars. And this is really good for your hair. It's not gonna break her out. It's not gonna frizz. It says that it revitalizes, smooths, and conditions curly and straight hair. But I'm gonna be using this on her unit. Conair Infinity Pro.